The Neptune 4 Plus 3D printer by ELEGOO stands out with its remarkable printing speed, capable of reaching up to 500 millimeters per second, thanks to its advanced Klipper firmware. With an impressive build volume of 12.59 inches by 12.59 inches by 15.15 inches, this printer allows for larger models or multiple small items in one go, enhancing creative possibilities. Precision and quality are prioritized with features like input shaping, pressure advancing, and acceleration sensors, ensuring detailed and accurate prints without compromising speed. The dual-gear direct-drive extruder, developed in-house, offers a robust extrusion system that minimizes filament feeding issues, paired with a metal throat pipe to reduce nozzle clogs. Equipped with a high-temperature nozzle capable of reaching 300 degrees Celsius, the Neptune 4 Plus easily handles a variety of filament materials including PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and nylon. User-friendly features, such as efficient cooling fans and multiple connectivity options, make this printer convenient to use, allowing easy file transfers via Wi-Fi, USB, or LAN.